Ellen's here is having an emergency! Just look at those gums! Let's fix her up. Probably should numb her up beforehand. What do you think happened to her anyway? Guess they weren't kidding when they said flossing's important. I think it's best if we just remove whatever that is. Things are already looking much better. You know, while we're here, might as well check your dental work. Oh, someone's getting a visit from the Tooth Fairy. But for the time being, you'll need a new tooth. It looks odd. Just add water. Now it looks brand new. Oh no! Mr. Pineapple looks upset! A simple X-ray should get to the bottom of this. Congratulations! It's a tiny unicorn. Now time to sleep so we can take a closer look. Don't take out anything important. Wow, a crystal unicorn! It's so sparkly. While we're here, a bite won't hurt. Add glitter. It's the answer to everything. This calls for a 2 Band-Aid job. All better. Ms. Orange, you should be more careful rolling around. Especially in your condition. She's going to have a baby. Good thing she's asleep. In a few moments, we might see the head. Oh, so that's where clementines come from. Now we're gonna need a needle and thread. Never underestimate the power of sewing class. Good, she's stitched up. Now for a cleaning. Now it's time for a family reunion. Aww. Someone really needs to tell the farmer about all this sick fruit. Let's just see if we can remove the infection. A gummy worm. Dispose of it properly. What? Nurses gotta eat too. Put in something sweet and seal him up. The sky is falling! No, wait, it's just a banana. A sick banana. Don't worry, we'll figure out what's wrong. Take out a marker to plan things out. Ooh, is that the scented kind? You know, I wonder if we can do a peel transplant. I knew this banana was sad, but he's downright blue. A little green around the gills, too. How'd this get inside the peel anyway? Wonderful, we've got ourselves a donor. We just need to make similar shapes from before. Just think, an old kneecap can be his new forehead. I'm sure it's much easier being green than everyone says. Of course, we'll need to make sure everything stays in place. Aw, look at that smile. Maybe he'll help start a new trend. An arrow? Temp tattoos. When the relationship ends, it just washes right off. Well, it's too late now, so off it goes. Luckily, we've got a donor willing to help. Good thing, too. His new girlfriend's named Kate. Let's just hope these bananas don't split anytime soon. Medical amazing stuff. It's the bonus episode.